If you previously created a website for your online academy or course in the SendPulse website section, it's a good idea to move it to the courses section. This will allow you to link your website with the learning system and unlock extra benefits. Let's go over a few of them. Our online course builder already includes everything you need to launch your online academy. You can create and publish your academy website and course sign-up pages without extra fees. The number of academies depends on your pricing plan. For instance, on paid plans, you can create an unlimited number of courses within a single academy. Our online course builder also comes with advanced widgets for your website, including the login widget that lets students enroll in your courses and access their personal accounts directly from your website. You can also use the Reviews widget to showcase ratings and comments from students already enrolled in your course. On top of that, you can easily connect your custom domain to your Academy website. If your domain was already linked to your website in the Personal tab, you can transfer it to your new website. We'll cover how to do this in a moment. First, let's walk through how to transfer your course website from the Personal tab to the Courses section, while saving its original content and layout. Step 1. Save blocks from your current website. Navigate to the Website section, Personal tab, and select the website you want to transfer. Click the three dots next to your page name and select Edit to go to the website builder. Then click the three dots next to the block you want to move and select Save to Gallery. Repeat these steps for all the blocks on your website's page. All saved blocks will appear in the Builder's block menu under the Saved section. If your website has multiple pages, go to every page in the Builder and save the necessary blocks to the gallery. Later on, you will be able to add them to your Academy website pages with ease. Step 2. Create your website in the Courses section. By default, your Academy website includes one page. However, you can easily add more pages at any time. Let's say to showcase instructors or different learning paths. What's more, you can create dedicated pages for any course within your academy. To build your course landing page, go to the Courses section, select your academy, and create or choose a course. Then use the menu on the right to add a new page. Assign a unique link to your course page and select New Site to create it from scratch. From there, you can start editing your page. You can also add more pages to your Academy website. To do this, navigate to the Website section, switch to the Courses tab, select your Academy website, and click Add Page. Then select New Page to create it from scratch. In this case, you will be able to assign your page's custom link during its publication. If needed, you can replace your course page with another page within the Academy domain. However, you can't change the unique part of your course page link, so it's a good idea to think through your page name beforehand. If you want to change the part after the slash in your link, make a copy of this page with a new address and connect it to your course. You can also change your link domain part at any time. We'll cover how to do this in a moment. Step 3. Add blocks to your new website in the Courses section. To edit your website in the Builder, select Edit Page. Then click the Add Block button with the plus icon. In the left side menu, select the Saved section. Here you'll see all the blocks you saved earlier. Select the block you want to add to your page. By adding blocks one at a time, you can fully rebuild your original page layout. You can keep your saved blocks content unchanged or fine-tune their styles, colors, fonts, and button appearance to ensure a consistent layout. You can also add new website elements if needed. To give you an idea, try the Login or Reviews widgets we talked about earlier. You can learn more about these widgets in our self-help guides under the links in the description of this video. Step 4. Connect or transfer your Academy website domain. By default, your Academy website is hosted on a free SendPulse subdomain. If you are using a paid pricing plan, you can replace it with your custom domain in your website settings. If you've already connected your custom domain to another website, you can move it to your Academy website in the Courses section. Just note that a single domain can't be connected to two websites at the same time, so you'll need to remove it from the previous website first. To learn more about how to do this, follow our detailed guide under the link in the description of this video. To add a domain to your Academy website, go to the Courses section, select your Academy, and click the arrow in the upper right corner. If your website is already published, you'll need to unpublish it first. Next, select Page Settings from the drop-down menu. The system will redirect you to the Website section, where you'll see the general settings of your Academy website. Click Add Domain, enter its address, and copy the IP address to set up the A record. From there, add this A record in the domain settings of your registrar's website. We've attached detailed instructions on how to do this in the description below to help you easily follow along. Once the DNS records are updated, the domain status indicator in SendPulse will turn green, and your website will appear in the Courses section at the selected link. Just make sure to publish your new website pages so users can see them. Step 5. Ensure your website navigation works smoothly. Open both your original and new websites to make sure that all blocks and layout elements were transferred correctly. Fine-tune the details if necessary. If your website includes the menu or button widgets, double-check that all links lead to the correct blocks and pages. Go over the menu and block settings and update anchor names if needed. Also, make sure all the buttons carry the correct links and anchor tags. As simple as that, your website's been successfully transferred. You can now create separate pages for each course on your Academy's primary domain, add your student reviews directly from the platform, and manage your websites, courses, and learning workflows in one space through the SendPulse Courses section. Transfer your website today to streamline the learning experience for your students. Subscribe to our channel and keep an eye out for new guides and practical tips.